Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. We have a bunch of littles to open today, so hopefully this won't be too long of a video for y'all, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 miscellaneous little items that I have that I have collected, have I ordered and just kind of saved and collected. Let's do this one first. I definitely know where this one's at. I ordered this on Etsy, but I ordered it, I don't know when I ordered it. Let's see. I don't want to lie to y'all. So I always have my trusty little iPad here that helps me with my memory and by keeping everything in order for me. All I have to do is just find the Etsy app. I ordered this July 19th and it didn't come till August the 5th from Etsy. So it's from their little marketplace, and it was a little straw bag, and it's just a PU bag with straw on it, and it was a decent price for what it is. Just wanted a straw bag to have, and they're normally $34.99. I would not have paid $34.99 for this, but it was on sale, so I got it for $16.93, and it was free shipping, and so I just had to pay tax, which is $1.40, so $18.33. So I'm not mad about that. And it does have a little zipper. Let's try to get this looking a little decent. So it's cute. Here's the front, the side, here's the back, the other side. Oh, this probably could be a good fall bag. I thought that maybe it was going to be not good use for the fall, but I could use it, just something quick here and there. Let's see what the inside looks like. Just a big black little like a bucket bag is what it is, and it has a it's a plastic lining. It's just a cheeky little bag, so just something where I could use, take it somewhere. I don't have to worry about if it gets lost or stolen or anything like that. So it's, and this is a good, be a good travel bag. I was just trying to find little nice, cute little travel bags too, where I don't have to worry about anything. This one is a Coach bag that I got on Goodwill Finds. Now, Goodwill Finds, they give you cash back on Rakuten, and like I got my check. When did I get my check? Not too long ago. What are we in? Now we're October, so September, I think. Did it come in September? I think I got $108 for 3 months of rebates for doing nothing but just using that button. And right now, Goodwill Finds gives you 2% cash back. eBay gives you cash back. Shop Goodwill does not give you cash back. So this was Goodwill Finds. So on top of the savings, what a great savings it is. And it's such a cute little pouch. Oh, great price too. It was regularly $34.99, and then it kept going down, and then over there. And then it was finally, it had a sale. They had a sale price, and it was $12.99. Carriage corner zip. Uh-oh. Maybe that's why. I think it's stuck on. There we go. Oh, it has a paper on the inside. Okay, so there's the corner zip. There's your front, the side, the back. There's your bottom. There's the top. The zip is great, and a nice neutral. I don't know what the color is. Does it have it on here? It just came with the certified tag. Has a credit card slot here, credit card slot here. Is this the authenticity? Yep. So this one came with authenticity code paper. So it's definitely a Coach product. They just authenticate it. I don't think they tell you what it is. No, they don't tell you what it is. It just says accessory Coach pink wristlet. So Not bad for $12.99. And I like this because I like to use them as little catch-alls for my medicines and for lip balms and whatever I need to have on hand. The next thing is this right here. This one's a pretty recent purchase, and I got this one from, I think it's eBay. Yeah, I got this one from eBay. So this one I ordered September 29th, so it's not too long ago. And it's cute. It is a hydrangea. It says Junie and Burke Barbie pink and green floral small card case with coin compartment. But I don't have any accessories in the hydrangea pattern. So this was cute. So I couldn't pass up on it, and I got the winning bid. Here's the inside with the little the label there, and it has the credit card pocket there, and it was, my winning bid was $16.99, $10.65 shipping, $2.28 tax, so total of $29.92, which is a good price because if you go on eBay, if you go anywhere, people want a lot for this pattern, a lot. So I got a good deal on that, so I'm happy with that one. These two are from, this one's from eBay as well. And so since I have eBay open, let me get the order details. Okay, so this one I ordered September the 4th and received it on the 8th, but it was during the sick period, so I just did my little check-in process. And it is another little ducky coin purse, but this one's a little bit different. See? And it unzips here. The inside, oh, the inside's a little sticky. Hopefully I can do something about that. But it's in good condition, other than it's a little sticky. And the zip is really good zip. It feels a little dry, and comes with the little strap here. So see, this one has, these have the bigger ducks, and this is the smaller duck. So this was $28, $5.70 shipping, $2.78 tax, total of $36.48. Okay, here's the receipt in here, the packing slip. So it should tell me something. Yes. So it was ordered back 5/23, May 23. And I paid $20.99 for it. Oh, it's in better shape than I thought. It's a charm. I bought myself I had to buy it for myself. A very special grandmother charm. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see it in there better? Very special grandma charm. I'll show it this way, and then I'll pick to see which comes out this way. Let's add it to. I can just shine that up a little bit, and it'll be good as new. Use my secret ingredient, original Dawn liquid soap. Stop. Dawn liquid soap is what we used to use when I used to work there for the James Avery. And sorry, the dogs. Okay, I'm back. I don't know where I'm at. All right, so this one was purchased on June the 12th, and I bought it for my granddaughter, our granddaughter. I always say my granddaughter, our granddaughter, but she's not cheering now. She was doing cheering, and I bought her a little cheerleading necklace. But I think she's still just tumbling. So this one's a little tarnished, but I can clean that right back up. Cute. And she was what I'll do is I'll put it down the bottom of the screen. I'll look it up. These are a little bit harder to find because you have to go into each one individually. So that's for my granddaughter. I'll see if she still wants it. If she'll still wear it. And last but not least, here is this one. Oh, and this one's a ring, and I got this one for myself. I think this one might be from Shop Goodwill, but I'll put it down here in the bottom. But it had my size. They never have my size, so it had my size. So I thought, okay, I'll get it. And it's just a silver ring, and it's tarnished, but I'll clean that right up with a little Dawn soap, original Dawn Liquid soap, and it'll be bright as shiny as new. That's it. So that is my little haul of my littles. So you got to see 1, 2, 3 pieces of James Avery jewelry, a little Dooney & Burke duck coin purse, a hydrangea Dooney & Burke, and a Coach little wristlet. Alrighty, thank you very much for coming by to see me. Love y'all. Bye-bye.